I want to be a chef.
Each child learns differently. I'm a big believer in that.
Homeschool as a whole sounds really intimidating, but this program makes it possible.
I was scared because it's my kid's future. Is your kid's gonna be social? Am I gonna be capable to teach my kids the way they need it? So when I was researching, I was like, okay, so I was gonna have some support, so I can do this.
How small it was, how close it was in proximity to where we live right now currently. It seemed perfect.
Here you have multiple grade bands and then multiple types of curriculum.
The parents and the child can really navigate their own learning.
And we have to see how much 6 plus 5 is, and then we're gonna have to draw 10 in here.
It offers parents the chance to choose their curriculum, have flexibility in pacing, but it also gives them support that they need, not only with choosing curriculum, implementing curriculum, but there are hard days when you need somebody who understands your child and understands your family and can offer you emotional support on top of teaching support.
They get to come to workshops. It's an optional thing, but they can. As well as we do have field trips.
The banana he wants is up the tree.
For TK, it's a really good introduction to learning in the classroom.
If they're struggling maybe with some area where they get distracted very easily, they are less distracted in this environment. And so coming here, it opened them up to being able to express themselves more and feel more comfortable. And they are able to move at their own pace, which is why we often say chart your own course.
They eat lunch with their friends. They learn like classroom propriety. It's such a unique program.
Rio, round of applause. Well done.
It's just heartwarming to know that they're able to get up when they want. We can make our own time schedule when it's time to come in and meet with our consultant. It's an easy process.
I'm home, right, Rainey?
Everyone here at the school has a heart for children. They have a heart for families, and we really want your child to succeed.
I did this stuff.
If homeschooling and slowing down and enjoying life a little bit more while also having other parents around you with that same mentality, it just makes it so much sweeter, so much richer of an opportunity that you can offer, to your kids.
If you are in a fence, if you need to do homeschool or not, then just try it. If it's not for you, it's okay.
Even if you happen to work, it's still doable.
Your return on investment is going to be so much greater when you can look back and have extra moments with your children where you learned a little bit more about them, you put a little bit more into them. I will definitely not look back and regret this.
What's your favorite subject?
Science.
Yeah? What do you like about science?
The science experiments.